What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy Son.
Kick Talk.
And you already know we here kick talking about
a pair of shoes I've been wanting to check out in hand. It is the Nike Dunk Low Chicago Split. But before we get into the box, Nigel, if it's their first time here,
you need to hit that notification bell, get that joint ringing, because we got heat. Obviously, and obviously you want it and you like it because you're here and watching it. So ring the notifications bell. You already watching the video. All you gotta do is leave the vid and click one button.
If you've been here before, thanks for coming back and vibing with us. And if it's your first time, we appreciate you. We are on the way to 4K, 5K. We love you guys. Appreciate your support.
Catch us at 4K, bro.
Rocking with our content. Make sure you sub, like up, check out all the other videos.
Please.
Hit me on Instagram also at Real Daddy Seed.
Yeah.
All right. So now,
plugs. Let's go.
Nike Dunk Low, Chicago Split. Regular dunk box. We don't have to get too much into that. The label does say this is a PRM, right? Premium, which means it's upgraded materials, upgraded leathers, and the colorway is University Red and Black.
Right.
Now, I will say these are still in stores, man. I'm seeing them sitting in the stores. If you want them, grab them. They, to me, are fire. I really, really like this shoe. Yeah.
They ice.
Fire in the ice. Okay.
It's funny
but
because
both mean the same
tough,
thing.
Right.
Yeah, like they cold or they fire.
They could be hot or cold, but they could still be tough.
Right. Those are hot. Those are
it's like, it's polarizing,
Look at
if
that.
something was just
basic,
it'd be mid.
Ooh, in the middle, you got boom, boom in the middle.
I just peeped that. That's crazy.
All right, y'all. So this right here is the Chicago Split Dunk.
Yeah.
I think it's a really, really, really nice shoe.
Yeah.
Like, it's not your regular dunk. It's not that plastic leather. This has tumble leather all over it. It's just nice, comfortable, wearable.
Yeah.
If you don't want to wear out like an Air Jordan 1, Lost and Found, or Chicago, just because you can't wear those every day. But this, you can definitely kick around in.
Yeah.
And it looks mad comfortable.
It looks real comfortable. Look at that. I see the premium on this, bro.
Yeah, man.
Look at
the sock liner?
The sock liner, bro.
Yeah,
this is
plush.
Some plush.
Very cushioned.
Yes.
Wow, it is very.
Feel it, bro. Look
very
at this.
cushioned.
Look at this. Look at my finger. It's moving.
Look at my finger, he said. So yes. And then Nigel, tell me why you think they call it a split.
They call it the split because if you look at the bottom, am I wrong?
Okay.
Oh, it's split, right?
Yeah. So the whole shoe is really like split down the middle.
The shoe split down the middle. You see
right
here, you got the black, white, gray, whatever you would call that.
Yeah, it's more gray than like a,
Yeah, the swoosh. You got the, you know what I'm saying? You got your regular dunk black swoosh, but then, boom, they just split it into the gray, same color, white, whatever on the bottom.
There you go. That's split. The tongue is split. So if you look at the logos on the tongue, there's a stitch right down the middle. So you got like the cursive old school Nike, text on there, and then like the block new school current Nike text. And it's the same on the collar of the shoe, the heel. You got that Nike is split horizontally.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Are those the only splits?
Those are splits. The swoosh is split.
I feel like if they called it the split, they should have been like
the whole
this
shoe.
Half is this, and then the other half is this.
Yeah,
or
I
feel like the split isn't. It's not enough splits in
It's not a full split.
Right.
I'll give you that. I think they wanted to make it wearable, and if you had like just straight right down the middle, black and red,
ridiculous.
Yeah, but like this, you're getting like Chicago, but then a little bit of split.
Yeah, I do like how they made the split not just straight half and half though, and how they like moved it around.
Right.
I like that for sure.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. And I do like the outsole as well. We got the midsole is nice and that antique treatment, but then the bottom, like you said, the gray and black. Yeah, man. And then even on the insole, you got a little split on the logo inside there as well. All right.
Yeah.
But yeah, this really looks like these when you can customize. They do the dunk by you, and you can go in and color it. It looked like they seriously saw like somebody did this.
Made shoe.
Somebody did it, and they were like, "I like that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take it, and we're gonna mass produce it."
It's hard to do that.
If you're building and customizing something on Nike's site, they own it.
That's true.
Truthfully, they're letting you use their proprietary software to do it. Right?
Smart. Here, make a shoe for us.
Yeah. They also gave you an aged tongue as well, so the tongue is different compared to all the white on the leather, you know, the rest of the shoe, the forefoot and so forth.
The leather was kind of aged too. Am I tripping?
I mean,
not the leather.
The midsole.
I'll be forgetting the pieces.
Yeah, the midsole. Yeah, the midsole is aged for sure.
It's aged too. Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice, comfortable, nice leather, tumbled all over.
It's a nice
premium
really
dunk.
A nice casual, like everyday shoe for real.
Exactly, and they came with extra laces too, right? We got black.
Yeah, and we got the white.
Okay, so you got black on makes sense.
Right.
So now I would probably
laces.
Right. I would do one shoe white, one shoe black, maybe.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was about to say, Dad.
Oh, unagi in your head.
Unagi. Yeah.
All right, man. So you know we covered the shoe overall.
Yeah.
You know, true to size, I wear an 11. I buy my dunks in 11. Nothing too fancy to worry about there. Yeah. First thoughts on the shoe. Looking at it, man. What you think?
I'm thinking. I mean, I said it looks good.
Yeah.
I think it's a good, casual, regular shoe. I like how it's one of those shoes that you can wear every day, but they kind of try to add a little something new to it, like the split thing.
Right.
It's something you don't see every day. And it's in Chicago.
Yep.
First Chicago dunk we got, so.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah. It's nice. So did you give it a number?
Oh, with rating?
Yeah.
Oh. No.
You about to dish out a big one. I feel it coming.
No, it's not a big one. I'm thinking I think it's just a regular shoe.
Mm-hmm.
I called it cold earlier.
Yeah.
But it's kind of leaning more towards the middle.
Ooh.
I might call it a 7.
The more you saw it, he's like,
yeah, I'm sorry. The 7 is like a regular rating though. It's like I don't dislike it. I'm not against it. It's
like, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nothing fancy, nothing, you're not going crazy for it.
Right.
I mean, I give you that. It's still sitting in stores, and I still haven't picked up a personal pair. This pair was donated from the squad. My man Wes, thanks, my man. Taking care of me, helped me out a lot with pairs. But yeah, it still is in the finish lines. I picked up the UNC toes, still on the shelf. So get out there and get a pair if you want them. They really are nice. I'd say 7.5.
Oh. So now you went from hot to the middle with me.
No, I mean I think they're great, but again, like you said, like a regular shoe. Right. It's not I got a must go get it. You know what I'm saying? But I would take a pair. Yeah. On sale.
Right. If you're dad and you just get shoes, you just get every shoe you see. Then it's one of those shoes.
It's not I don't get every shoe I see, but these again, I had the opportunity to get them. I say no, I'm gonna wait. They'll probably be on sale in another month or so, maybe 20% off or something. Then I'll grab them. It's one of those circle back shoes. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think of these. If you copped them, do you like them? And hit us on the next one. Before we go, I will say these are similar to the Chicago dunks they did the 75th anniversary a couple months, like a year ago, 2 years. Similar color blocking, but this was black.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. All right, y'all.
I was reminded of the Off-Whites.
Off-White. Chicago
giant collection they did with all the dunks.
The 10. No, with the dunks, the lot dunks. The lot 50s.
Yeah, I was reminded of these, the red ones. That's all I had to say.
Oh, peace. You just mean the dunker. I got you, not the lot. All right, y'all. Peace.